Hello, dear friends. My name is Joshua Gartian Sabugo. I'm from 11 Science Street. Right now, I will tell you how to make a good protein milk without using a protein powder. Let's make it.
The ingredients are Quaker and halogen in the water. The tools are the water heater, the spoon and the glass, and the bottle is option. The first step, we will turn on the water heater. Next, we will put the halogen milk in the glass. After that, we will put the Quaker in the glass too. After the water heater is hot, we will pour the water in the glass. And we will brew it. Now is the option of the bottle. If you want to drink the milk, if the water is too hot, you can put the cool water in the glass and we will brew it. That's it. Now your good protein milk is ready to drink. Thank you.